Right, so just going to get the buttons on. Now, that's what I've done. I've cleaned all the crap out of here and out of there. It's all the old glue that Dyson used. I've cleaned all the glue out of that and out of the cold shot button. So they're all nice and clean. So I use that T7000. It's brilliant for screens, buttons like this, anything really. It's a nice glue, but then it's dead easy to get off. So on here I just put a little bit in there. Let me put these lights on. Where's my switch for these now? Oh god, where is it? Right. So I fill that little hole up. Put the button in, press it a few times, and then that will set into there. If you look on the back of the bottom, it's like a H, but you've got a larger bit on top, and then you've got a smaller bit on the bottom of the H, so it's like offset a little bit. What you want to do with that is the biggest part of that H you want pointing upwards towards the trim. So again, all I do with that, I'll fill that void with the glue. So the largest part of the H, the biggest part I put to the top. Push it up and down a few times. And then all I do then is put some sellotape around it. So let me get my tape. So all I do, make sure it's in position, sellotape, pressing it down, and then just get another piece of tape. Do exactly the same with the cold shot button. Press it down and then tape it. You know then it's gonna set. Looks a bit tacky, but give it an hour, 2 hours, it'll be fine. Right, the filter. There is a way of putting these on. Let me get these lights on. Make it a little easier. Right, excuse the head. Right. So the filter here. Them legs there, little legs. Where is it? There it is, on there. Let me change it to daylight. There we go. Some little legs on there. There you go. If you look on the underneath here, you've got 2 slots. Got 2 slots. Let me have a look. Where are they? Here and here. Yeah, so them 2 slots are where them lugs fit into. So what I do, please excuse this now, so you can feed it through there. So all I do, I put one of the lugs, doesn't matter which one, put one of them in, locate it in, and then slightly open it, and then put your other lug in. And that's it. When you put your screws in, it pushes it all down, and there it is. So you put your other screws in. When you're putting your screws in, I just close them, really. Close it together with your finger and thumb. Screw it in. You don't have to screw it in dead tight. And then the other screw. And that is the way to get it in. So that join there, it goes opposite to that one there. And then all you do, put your outer filter on, and it should slide on perfectly. If your outer filter, if you're struggling to get it on, it means that that isn't seated correctly. It should just go on, and then that's it, job done. So that's how you do, put your outer filter and your inner filter on, and your buttons as well.